We got the mower back out again. It is looking dark, people. Looking real dark. We're supposedly in for some doozies today. But so God, I am sweating like a pig. Or maybe not a pig. They don't sweat, do they? But you know what I'm talking about. It is humid out here today. Anyways, so I've got top link. I bought a new top link at Rural King today. So my old top link was from pin to pin all the way in was 23 inches. This one is 17. So it's too long, and I couldn't level I couldn't level the cutting blade. It was always just tilted up a skosh. So now it's level. That looks level to me. Next on the list is that shoe out there always collects hay. Jams in that little opening there. So everybody in the comments is like, you need one of these. In a double section at the end. So I picked that up. 12 bucks, $13 for two of them. So now, unfortunately, I got to tear that whole damn sickle bar out of there and then grind the rivets off and pound. Ooh, can you hear that thunder? I got to get to work. All right, I'm going to get moving here, at least get this off. Man, if it rains, we'll be, if things get wet. But all right, let's get moving. All right. I think that was like a 3/4 or something. Actually, I'm going to throw my tools in the back of the Jeep so that if it does rain, I can just close the hatch and adios. Hold on, people. I know you guys are so damned impatient. There's a 3/4. Let's try a 3/4. Is that a 3/4? Looks like it. Let's see if this is the right one. Oh, that's not a ratchet. Jesus. Okay. I hope this works. How did I get that out of there? Man, is it getting dark. Holy smokes. Might have to run for the hills. There it goes. What's really awesome is trying to get this thing back in. It took forever. Okay. Gonna knock this thing out. Okay.
Okay.
Get out of the way.
How do you pass those bolts, huh?
No, it's I don't know, that thing was never in the way before. That little guard right there. That guard, I think, is supposed to flip up.
Why didn't you pull up a little more level?
Because I needed room.
You wouldn't be able to get this back in?
Probably. Okay. How do I do this? Here, you stand. Take this. Oh, yeah. Right? Remember how we did this? Yes. All right. Dang. That's some thunder.
That's close.
Yeah, that's right there. lift it up a little bit. Whoa. Okay. Hang on, don't move anything. Yep.
Both on?
Yeah, so pick your end up right there. Got it?
Yeah.
Come on, people. Breathing over my shoulder.
Hold on, something's biting my leg. Okay.
Ouch, that hurt.
What the hammer you used the last time?
I used the ball peen, but it works.
They're all tight.
Yeah. Yep. Okay.
You have to round it over?
That's good.
Okay. You sure it's going to slide back in?
Yeah, it's the same size, just a little longer now.
You know, because you hammered.
We're good. It's time to put her back in.
Just wanted to give a quick update on the two babies. Peaches, quit hogging the camera. There's Fiona. I came in to see Fiona's baby, and he was sleeping in the bowl. That's his spot to sleep in. Actually, they both sleep in there. Hi, honey. What are you doing? Come here. Oh, goodness, you're getting big. Say hi. Say hi. What are you doing? You say hi? Oh, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Peaches and her baby. Hi, honey. Peaches. Hey. Up from your nap. Hi, honey bun. Does that fan feel good? Hmm. Storm, huh? Folding.
Yeah. For sure. Okay. You line her up. You tell me when to push. I don't want to cut your fingers.
So, is it going?
It goes.
Does it go over top this little plate and then into the first work section?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Go towards the Jeep. Okay. Go towards the Jeep. Wait a minute. Go towards the Jeep. Yeah. Okay. Go towards the Jeep.
Don't do that with your fingers, babe.
Keep going towards the Jeep. Hold on. Oh.
Just look in this end and see which way I need to run those arms.
Yeah. Okay. Move the belt. It's not moving it.
Is it moving those yellow arms?
No, hold on. I do not do this squat. This is not how we did this the last time. It's too low.
It's too low. The arm is too low. Doesn't need to go up, needs to go down.
I can't even see the hole in there.
Oh, shoot. That didn't work. Turn it. Turn it.
More?
Turn it. Whoa, right there. Now hold on to it for me.
Okay.
It started. Oh, that bar is just kicking my ass.
Yeah. It has to go down, you said?
Yeah. Right? Go forward with it a little bit. No, nope, the other way. A little bit more. Oh, it started. Oh, I still need it to go down. Get the screw in. There it goes. Nope. Okay. It's done. Sweet. Oh! All right. I finished up just in time. It's starting to rain.
When you're done, give me that real quick.
Okay. I've got that double guy on. So that bolt is such a pain in the butt. And then I've got that new. I got to grease that or something. But all right, it's raining. So this is just a short video on the upgrades. I was hoping to go down and cut a little, see what I was going to cut, but it's not working. So all right, guys. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Next video, we're laying her down again. 2 big fields, but they're flat. So, all right. Peace out, people.